I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Tradingview by Ravi R Kumar step by step. Open Tradingview and sign in, then select the market you want to study and load a chart. Familiarize yourself with the chart tools on the left, timeframes at the bottom, and indicators menu at the top. Practice drawing trend lines and saving your layout so you can return to the same setup later. In this segment, we dive into chart tools and overlays to make clearer trading decisions. Click the drawing tools for lines, fibs, and shapes, then practice plotting support and resistance. Next, add RSI, MACD, or EMA from the Indicators panel and tweak inputs to match your strategy. Save a template so your favorite indicators and colors load instantly whenever you open a new chart on Tradingview. Now let's set up alerts and watch lists to stay on top of moves without watching charts full time. Click the Alert button to trigger notifications for price, indicator, or strategy conditions, and choose Push, Email, or Pop-up alerts. Add chosen symbols to custom watch lists and group them into folders for different trading ideas. This keeps your focus efficient and helps you respond faster when.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.